Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop Microsoft Edge from opening on startup so your computer starts faster and runs more smoothly. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Microsoft Edge is the default web browser in Windows, and it may run automatically in the background. Opening it first allows you to access its internal settings. Step 2. Click the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings from the menu. The three dots button opens the main menu where you can control browser features and preferences. Settings is important because it contains startup and background options. Step 3. On the left sidebar, click on System and Performance. This section manages how Edge behaves when your computer starts and how it uses system resources. It is important for controlling startup behavior and improving performance. Step 4. Toggle Startup Boost to off. Startup Boost allows Edge to preload in the background to open faster, but it can also make it launch during startup. Turning it off prevents the browser from preloading automatically. Step 5. Toggle Continue Running Background Extensions and Apps when Microsoft Edge is closed to off as well. This setting allows Edge to keep running even after you close it. Disabling it ensures the browser does not run or reopen in the background when your PC starts. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.